Good evening, friends. Welcome to Sigma IS YouTube channel. Sigma IS YouTube channel. Today's topic tabulation. Today is the fourth day. In last 3 days onwards, we are discussing about the tabulation. Already some questions are completed. Today I will discuss some more questions on tabulation. So tabulation, not only tabulation, in data interpretation, four important topics: tabulation, tabulation, bar diagrams, XY charts, and fourth one pie charts. These four are very important. These four topics are very easy if you know three topics in aptitude. If you know three topics in aptitude: averages, ratio and proportion, ratio and proportion, and percentages, and percentages. So if you know these three topics, if you are mastering these three topics, then the data interpretation is very easy. Okay, so the total questions, each and every question is depend on only these three topics: average, ratio, proportion, and also percentages. So yesterday also we covered some questions. The next question in tabulation. See, study the following table carefully to answer the given questions. To answer the question that follow: number of women working in various departments of six different organizations. Six different organizations: P, Q, R, S, T, U. So total here six different organizations are there, and six different what we call six different departments. Six different departments. So the number of women working in six different departments in six organizations. Observe the table carefully. Observe the table, then find the answers. The total questions are dependent on only three topics: average, ratio and proportion, and also percentages. Now on first question, let's see the first question. Number of women working in the HR department from S organization. Number of women working in which department? HR department in S organization. Organization S and HR department. How many women workers are there? 190 women workers are there. Yeah, then tell me, HR department in HR department from S organization is what percent of the total number of women working in HR department from all the organizations together. So, what is the question? How much percent of women working in HR department from S organization compared to total HR workers? Total HR women workers. Now find the total number of employees in HR department. How to find the sum? Our traditional method is first units, next to tens, then hundreds. But our speed method is first to find the sum of hundreds, then tens, then units. So first to hundreds: 1, 2, 3, plus 2, 5, plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1000. 1000. Once again, see, 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 1000. Then next to tens, next to tens, this is 50, 50, 50, 50, 100, 190, 190 plus 70. What is 190 plus 70? 260. 260 plus 5, 265. 265. So total 1265. Total how many employees are there? Total how many women workers are there in HR department? 1265. Only HR women workers in HRS organization 190. How much percentage? 190 by 1265. Percentage means per 100. Therefore multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. Now both the values are 190 and 1265 are cancel with the 5. Cancel with the 5. 5 3s 15. 5 3s 15. Then 4 0 40. 5 8s 40. 5 2s 10. 5 5s 25. 5 3s 15. It is equal to 38 into 100. 3800. 3800 by 3800 by 253. 253. Then what is your answer? So it is equal to 253 once the 253. 253 once 253. What is the 380 minus 253? What is the 380 minus 253? 127. 127. Now take this 0. It will become 1270. Now 253 into 5. What is 253 into 5? Any number multiply with 5 very easy. After the number write 0 and half of the number. 253 into 5 is equal to, after 253 write 0, it will become 2530. Half of 2530. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 6, 2 5. 1265. Now, what is the remainder here? The remainder is 5. Take the decimal. Decimal, write 050. Again, 50 is not divisible by 253. Write 1 0. Now, one more 0. Now, 253, approximately 252. So, what is your answer? 15.02. Approximately 15.02 women workers are there in HR department from S organization compared to total HR employees in all the organizations together. So, how much percentage? 15.02 percentage. Very simple if you know average. Now see the present question, second question. What is the average number of women working in the average? Once again they are asking average. See here. In data integration, all the questions are depend on either average or ratios or percentages only. Okay, now see here. What is the average number of women working in the finance department from all the organizations together? Very simple. Find the total number of employees in finance department by number of organizations. How many organizations are there? 6 organizations. Therefore, first to find the sum of all the employees in finance department. How to find the sum? First to hundreds, then tens, next units. Find the hundreds. 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 2 12 plus 4 16 1600 plus now tens 20 plus 50 20 plus 50 how much? 70 70 plus 10 80 80 85 plus 5 90 98. Okay, once again see hundreds. 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 2 8 8 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 10 plus 3 so 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 2 9 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 4 1600. Next tens 20 plus 50 70 plus 10 80 85 85 plus 5 90 98. So 1698. Average 1698 by how many organizations are there? 6 organizations. 6 organizations by 6. Very simple. 6 to 12. What is the average? Sum of observations by number of observations. 1698 by 6. 6 to 12. 3. 6 to 12. 4 9 49. 6 8 48. 6 3 is 18. So what is the average number of employees? 283. So the average number of employees in finance department is 283. Very simple. Now the next question, which organization has the least number of women employees working in all given departments together? Very simple addition. Here only addition, find the total number of employees in organization P. Find the total number of women employees in organization Q and also remaining organizations. It is only addition. Then after that, out of these 6 values, which one is the least value? Easily you can find the answer. Okay, then here one more question is there. That is the 8th question is homework question. 9th one is also homework question. What is the respective ratio of the number of women working in IT department from organizations P, Q and U? IT department to P, Q and U. Find the sum of these three numbers: 320, 415 and 225. To the number of women working in marketing department from PST, marketing department to P, S and T. So find the sum of these three numbers and again find the sum of these three numbers. Then find the ratio. You know the ratio. So this is very easy. So, okay, then last 4 days onwards I am explaining about the tabulation only. Tomorrow I will start the bar diagrams. Okay. So thank you.